Hello! We are back with another English lesson today. In today's lesson, we will teach you some phrases for correcting someone in English. These phrases can be used if another person said something that is untrue or not correct, and you want to help them understand. Please enjoy. Actually. This is the easiest phrase to remember. If someone says something that is incorrect, you can respond by saying, actually, and then telling them the correct information. You should be careful though. Actually is very casual and it is very strong. If you use the wrong tone or say it in a strong way, it can sound harsh. So be careful.
What should we do for lunch today?
Ooh, let's do sushi. We all love sushi, so it's perfect.
Actually, I don't eat sushi. Sorry.
Oh, sorry, Rose. I forgot.
I'm afraid that's not quite right. That's close, but not quite right. These are nice ways to tell someone they are wrong. You can use them without any explanation, or you can explain the correct information after saying one of these phrases. Jose, how do you say thank you in French?
It's merci.
Mercy?
That's close, but not quite right. It's merci.
Merci.
I'm afraid that's not quite right either. Try again. It's merci.
Merci.
That's it.
Where did you hear that? This question is often used before you correct someone. If another person says something that you think is not true, you can ask them about it before you correct them. This question is good for two situations. One, if you are not sure if you know the correct information. Maybe the other person has new information that you haven't heard yet. In this case, you want to use a softer tone. The second situation is if you really can't believe what the other person said. In this case, many people use a strong tone to show that they don't believe the other person.
Did you know that you can wash your hair with natto?
Where did you hear that?
The internet?
I think you should get a better information.
If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. See you next time.